Are you ready to put rollers in your adapt clutch? I mean, can you imagine trying to run a skateboard on sliders? Like, come on, you need bearings, you need rollers. Let's get on with this and let's put some rollers in here. You have to knock this little roll pin out. It just goes right out the back side, so that's kind of nice. Punch I got is just a touch too big, so we'll just finish pulling it through. Now we got that little guy out. Now you're gonna need, we got this a little fancier than this one, but this one works nice. This is an 8mm. You're gonna need that on the end of a slide hammer to get these jewels out of here. Just take that thing, spin her right down into there. Okay, I'm gonna heat this up just a little bit, get the glue to soften up just a little. Recommend using a propane torch and not a regular torch, because a regular torch would probably have a big chance of melting your aluminum. That's not cool. Aluminum soak up the heat pretty quick, so it'll. You can take the clutch out and put it on the bench and put it down tight and take them out that way too. There's the little bolt come out. Now that thing there is just a slight bit hot, so we'll be nice and let's take this little guy out of there. Look at that. Take the sliders off, put a roller. You can only imagine how much better your skateboard's gonna work now, can you? Give her just a touch of time to cool off. So now, got a slot in here. So this slot has to match up with that. I've got the bolt backwards just in case you're wondering, but that slot has to line up because we got to put the roll pin back through there. Make sure when you slide this thing in here, got to put the washer on. As a matter of fact, it is cool enough already. Oops. I'll turn this down just a little bit more so that it use gravity in my favor. There we go. Now you can see this slot. I'm going to turn that thing right to there. I'm just going to tap it in a little bit with the hammer. Take this same slide hammer. Knock it down into there. You heard it, you can hear it. It says we're done. Now we'll just take a little look in the hole, make sure that it will go all the way through. And yes, we did get it lined up. First time for everything, of course. Just flush. You now can go rollerblading.